Good morning, student. Welcome to the online education organized by Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation. Myself, social study expert teacher, Mrs. Sujata Arvind Gaikwad from Goshala Mar, Mumbai Public School. Today I am going to teach civic subject, lesson number 4, urban local government bodies. So, before start the topic, just recap the previous knowledge. Urban local government. In this, we study about Nagar Panchayat, Municipal Council and Municipal Corporation. At town level, Nagar Panchayat works. For small cities, Municipal Council. And for big city, Municipal Corporation. These all government bodies provides different service for the
Ma'am, we are not able to hear you.
लेफ्ट हो गए वो नेटवर्क इशू। ज्वाइन करो, अब ज्वाइन हुए को होस्ट।
which urban local government body looks after the big city? Think over it. Yes. Which urban local government bodies look after the big cities?
Nagar Panchayat, Municipal Council, Municipal Corporation.
Very good. But for the big cities, it is municipal corporation. Okay, student. What do you see in this picture? What do you see in this picture, student?
Flower, trees,
Yes,
garden.
flower, trees. What is? Yes, it's a garden. Now, student, answer the first question. How does government looks after the maintenance of garden? It means what things they do for the maintenance of garden? What things they are doing in garden, the government?
Miss,
Yes.
the government collects the tax, then they makes the garden and buildings all over for the local people.
Yes, very good. So from the tax, they are maintaining the garden. So what work they are doing? So watering plant, use fertilizer, planted sapling, etc. are the work done by the government. Okay. Now tell me, to perform all these functions, from where do government get money? Any idea, student?
Government get money from our tax.
Yes, very good, student. It's a tax or revenue. So today our topic or objective of these lessons are: number 1, function of municipal corporation; number 2, collection of taxes; number 3, reservation. Let's see this in detail. Who will read this? Yes.
Municipal corporation, the local government body that provides different services to the people in big cities, is called municipal corporation. Point 2. The first municipal corporation in Maharashtra was established in Mumbai.
Very good reading. Keep it up, beta.
Thank you.
Okay. Good. Can anyone identify the given picture? What is this picture shows? Yes. Okay. It is a head office of Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation. And we are a part of it. Now, who will read this?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, try beta.
Functions of municipal corporation. Provide education, construction of roads and bridges, water supply for domestic, industrial and commercial purpose. Fourth, public transport.
Very good. Very good, beta. See the function of municipal corporation. What does the first picture shows? First picture.
Education.
Very good. Good one. It shows education. Now, education is a learning skill to gain knowledge. So, municipal corporation opens schools to educate children, especially at primary and secondary level. In some areas, municipal corporation provides night schools and adult education center for the development of citizen. Okay. Now, what does the second picture shows? Second picture.
Water construction.
Yes, it shows water supply. Good. Now, it is one of the main function of municipal corporation to supply safe drinking water for everyone through the pipelines. Sometimes, if there is a scarcity means shortage. If there is a shortage of water, then municipal corporation provides drinking water through water tankers. Okay. Now tell me, what does the third picture shows?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, what it shows, the third picture?
Buses.
Yes. Yes. Very good. Anyone else? What is the meaning of bus? What it comes?
Public vehicles.
Public vehicles. Very good. Very good. So it shows transport. Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of transport? What is the meaning of transport? Yes. Transport means what?
One place to another place. Travel one place to another.
Very good. Excellent, beta. So, transport means moving of people or goods very good. Pride of Mumbai, the trains, local trains, and the BST bus. Now see the fourth picture. Identify the fourth picture.
Construction of road.
Yes. What does the fourth picture shows?
Filling damage of roads.
Construction of road.
Construction of? Yes, it is. Very good students. It is construction of road. Now, road construction is done by municipal corporation to avoid serious road accidents. More functions of municipal corporation. Let's see. Few more functions of municipal corporation. Who will read this?
Few more functions of municipal corporation. First, providing electricity. Second, registration of birth, death and marriages. Third, protection of environment. Fourth, provides information about dangerous buildings. Fifth, provides hospitality.
Okay, very good. Now see this in detail. Facilities provided by municipal corporation. See the first picture. Student, identify the first picture, what it shows. Yes, see the first picture.
Teacher, garbages.
Yes, very good. It is disposal of garbage.
Yes.
Okay, now it's a duty of municipal corporation to maintain proper hygiene by regular cleaning of drains and disposal of waste garbage. This control spread of disease. Okay, now identify the second picture. What it shows?
Garden.
Yes, very good, beta. It's a garden. It is one of the facility of municipal corporation which provides comfortable zone for children and senior citizens. Okay. Now, what does the third picture shows? Third one.
Local train.
Okay. Anyone else? See it carefully.
Trains.
Okay. Good try. Anyone else?
Metro train.
Very good. It is metro. Okay. Now, metro is the most modern means of transport. You know that currently Metro 4 project is under construction. Do you know from where municipal corporation take money for this project? From where does the municipal corporation take money for doing such project?
Tax.
Yes, very good. It is a tax or revenue. So, our second objective is tax. Tax. Who will read this?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, try beta.
First, a tax is compulsory financial charge imposed on the taxpayer in the form of rupee. Second, source of revenue of the corporation. A. House tax. B. Entertainment tax. C. Property tax. D. Water tax. E. Profession tax. F. Rising loans. G. State government grants.
Very good reading. Keep it up, beta. Let's see
Thank
these
you.
all in detail. Home tax. It is also known as property tax. Number 1, home tax is the annual amount paid by the landowner to the local government or the municipal corporation for his area. Number 2, the property includes real estates, property, houses, office buildings, and the rented property, etc. Now, the second is entertainment tax. Entertainment tax, also sometimes referred to as amusement tax. Amusement tax means tax paid for enjoyment. Number 2, it includes movie tickets, exhibitions, sports events, and many more. Number 3, nowadays, the most discussed subject of this tax implement to online services like Netflix, Spotify, and Amazon Prime Video. Student, identify the picture. What is it? See the picture given, what it is?
Teacher, bank book.
Okay, bank book. Try again. It's not a bank book. See carefully.
Medicine.
No, it's an entertainment tax, no? So think about entertainment, what it is.
Cinemax.
Yes, it's a Cinemax ticket. Very good, beta. Now, did you observe the ticket carefully? It's printed GST, which means goods and service tax. Next, water tax. There are different types of tax on water, like water tax and VAT. Now, what is the meaning of VAT? VAT means value added tax. Number 2, the main aims of this tax is to encourage companies and household to use water more sparingly. What is the meaning of sparingly? Without wasting water. Okay. So student, we should save water and it will definitely save our money. Now see the next. Profession tax. Number 1, profession tax is collected by the state government in India. It is a indirect tax. A person earning an income from salary or anyone practicing a profession such as chartered accountant, company secretary, lawyer, doctor, etc. required to pay this professional tax. Now the next is rising loans. Rising loans means if a person or a company raises money that they need, they manage to get it from bank, for example, by selling their property or by borrowing. This is called as rising loan. And the last one is state government grants. An award of financial assistance in the form of money by the federal government to an eligible guarantee with no expectation that the funds will be paid back. Number 2, the grants is one of the way the government funds ideas and projects to provide public service and stimulate economy. Stimulate means progress. Now student, look at the tree diagram of urban local bodies. As you can see, urban local government bodies is divided into 3 parts, namely Nagar Panchayat, Municipal Council, Municipal Corporation. Let's see the strength of its member. Nagar Panchayat has minimum 9 and maximum 15 members. Municipal Council has minimum 17 and maximum 38 members. And strength of municipal corporation is proportional to the population. It means more population, more members. Now our next is office bearers. Office bearers means a person holding a position of authority in an organization. So, head of Nagar Panchayat and municipal council are president and below them vice president. Same way, the head of municipal corporation is mayor and below them deputy mayor. Now officials were further divided into executive officer, chief officer and commissioner. Look at this picture. What does it shows? Yes, student, what is this picture shows?
Seats.
Yes.
Train seats.
Train seat, okay. So student, during summer vacation, you are going to native place by train, isn't it? So,
Yes.
So, to book your reserved seat in train, what will you do? Think. To book your reserved seat in train, what will you do? Any idea, student?
Means we will give money to a ticket counter and they gives us money where we get the ticket of wherever we want.
Yes, very good. Good beta. But what it calls? Which seat you are getting? So what it called?
Seat number?
Yes, seat number. Okay. Anyone else? Okay, it is reserve. Yes.
Means we will also take the ticket of which train we should go.
Yes, we should see that by which train we are going. But to reserve a seat, we have to do reservation first. Okay, isn't it? We are going to do the reservation, no? Okay, very good. So reservation means that particular seats belongs to you only. No one have right to take your seat. Same way, in politics, there are special seats reserved for special category or caste. So our third objective is reservation. Let's see it in detail. Reservation. Out of the total number of seats which people elect their representatives in a Gram Panchayat, Panchayat Samiti, Jilla Parishad, Municipal Council and Municipal Corporation. Some seats are reserved for the members of scheduled caste and tribes. And some seats are reserved for backward class of citizens. Number 2, only this specific category can be elected to the reserved seat. This is known as reservation of seat. In short, reservation means specific seat reserved for specific category or specific caste. See this pie diagram of reservation of seat. Blue color shows open category. It is 51%. Red color shows other backward class, OBC, 28.7%. Orange color shows scheduled caste, SC, 14.9%. And the last, green color shows scheduled tribes, ST, 7.4%. Next, why reservations are necessary? Reservation is necessary as it allows deprived section of the society and women to take part in the working of villages and cities and to participate in the decision-making process. Number 2, in a democracy, it is important that all the peoples get an opportunity to participate in all the process. So, reservation is very necessary for development of events as well as society. Students, today we have learned about number 1, the main function of municipal corporation. For example, education, water supply, protection of environment, etc. Number 2, a tax is compulsory financial charge imposed on taxpayer in the form of rupees. Number 3, reservation is necessary for the development of society and women. So student, I'm going to ask few questions based on today's topic. Let's see. Question number 1. Where did the first municipal corporation establish in Maharashtra? Option 1, Mumbai. 2, Pune. 3, Nashik.
Mumbai.
Very good, beta. It's Mumbai. Now see the next question. Which of them are the office bearers? Option number 1, president. 2, mayor. 3, all of this. Which is the correct option?
All of these.
Very good. Excellent. Very good. Now see the third question. Minimum strength of members in Nagar Panchayat. Option 1, 9. 2, 15. 3, 20. Fourth one, 19. Which is the correct option? Minimum strength. Minimum. Minimum is less to less.
9.
Very good. Very good, beta. It's 9. See the fourth question. Which type of tax is included in movie tickets? Option 1, home tax.
Entertainment tax.
It's an entertainment tax.
Very good student. It's a entertainment tax. Now see the fifth question. Identify the given picture. Option 1, garden. 2, metro. 3, adult literacy. Or 4, disposal of wastage.
Adult literacy.
Very good. The picture
Option
shows. Yes, option 3, adult literacy. Very good, beta. Now today's assignment. Make a list of functions and facilities provided by municipal corporation. Okay. After complete the assignment, show to your class teacher. Okay, student. Thank you, students. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Bye.